Hey friends, Adam Chal here, Oakwyn Realty, the Place Real Estate team. Gosh, we're mid-year already. Today is July 5th, coming to you with your June 2023 market update. All right, let's get into the figures. Last month we saw 2,988 sales. 2,988 sales the month of June. We're back below the 10-year average, 8.6% below the 10-year average. What does that mean? Typically, over the last 10 years, we've seen more homes sell in the month of June. So we're back to below typical activity levels. What is interesting at the moment, we have 9,990 active listings in the Greater Vancouver area, and last month, let's say almost 3,000 sold, which gives us 3.3 months of active inventory. So if no new properties came on the market, we'd have 3.3 months until all those sold. Now, typically in a more balanced market, we'd probably see 4, 5, even 6 months of inventory. So what this is showing us is that inventory levels are still tight. This means fewer people are thinking about and actually putting their properties on the market. Now, we talk a lot about segmentation of the market in these discussions that we have. And what's really interesting here is if we look at the apartments and the townhouses across the board, we're seeing increased activity on apartments. So when we look to the apartments at the sales to active listing ratio, this is almost at 40%, 39.4% for apartments, whereas we're seeing a much lower number on the detached side. So what does that mean? That means activity is higher for apartments and actually prices are increasing at a greater rate than the detached market. But why is this happening? Well, I think one of the main reasons are, obviously, we all know that interest rates have gone up. When interest rates go up, as they are doing at the moment, it hurts affordability. So if you're a young family, you need to move into a detached house and you can't afford that anymore, your qualification doesn't allow for it, what do you have to do? You have to move into a bigger townhouse. So I think what we're going to see, and again, I don't make good market predictions, but what I think we're going to see with these interest rates, even if they do return to somewhat of a normal range, we're going to see an increase in that apartment and the townhouse activity because the detached market is going to become even more out of reach for people that really need to move up. But we've still got to move. We still need more space, right? So I think we're going to see an increase on that side. So any questions? I hope you're doing really well halfway through 2023. Please text me, email me if you have any questions about your market, your property type, your marketplace. And if you want some information on the value of your property, you can click below for a free evaluation on that. 778-385-6141. You know where to find me. Have a great day.